Oh, look at that fish. Look, he just tried to hit it. That was a freaking smallmouth right there. He's coming after the, look, hey, he's right here after these. He's got him. Got him. I saw him. Hey, get the net for me. Please, it's a big one, Dustin. I saw him going after all those bait fish. He's right here. He's coming right here. Coming right here. Coming right here. Coming right here.
Come back to
I'm coming. Let's go, bro. Frick yeah. Let's go. Right there, sorry.
smallmouth.
Yeah, big one. Oh, he's 19 inches, dude. He's huge. He's freaking huge, Dustin. Will you get number 3 for me?
Shredded a finger.
Yeah, he's got some teeth.
Zach.
Bro, he's 3 pounds. Okay, he's 3 pounds. Let's go. All right. God, he's a big one. He was after all those bait fish. Bro, there's